Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and you watching New Touch Auto. In this video, I'm gonna get into how to cover factory wheels using a spray can. If you find this video of your interest and you wanna learn the process, you gotta stay tuned for that. Welcome back. Now in this video, I'm not gonna drag this video out by going step by step by step. I'm gonna make this process as simple as possible. I'm gonna display everything across the screen to help you better understand what I'm saying or what I'm using. First though, we gotta get into the products, everything that we're gonna use, and after that, we're gonna glide straight through it. To finish out my product, these are the items that I chose to use. We're gonna go ahead and start out with the 400 grit sanding paper. Then we'll proceed to the 800 grit. The purpose for that is it allows my surface to have something to stick to once I begin painting. After that, you want to clean it with some type of grease or wax remover. Then I proceed to my adhesion promoter, which will make my paint stick even better. After that, I'll go to my 2K epoxy primer, then my Duplicolor wheel coating. I chose satin black because that's the finish that I'm aiming for. And after that, we'll go to our final, the 2K Clear Glamour. That's my clear coat. That's gonna allow my finish to be perfect. We got a Ford Explorer right here. Factory wheels. Nothing special to them. Nothing special, just factory. Some people just want something different. They want a better look than their stock version. We're gonna give them that. I call it that okie doke. So y'all stay tuned, pay attention. video. And in the beginning, I told you I wasn't gonna drag it out all the way with a lot of talking. If you missed something, or you got any additional comments you want to ask about in the comment section, go ahead and do so. I'll make sure I get to you ASAP. Now, my channel is all about honesty. Now, I'll be honest with you. That epoxy primer, I wouldn't use that again. I would probably go with the Duplicolor primer. That's pretty much made for the paint. That primer or any other primer is probably better, but me personally, I wouldn't use it. I have my reasons, but I'm just being honest with you. But at the same time, I'm gonna show y'all more of this car, man. I'm gonna show y'all more of it. I'm gonna show y'all more of those wheels in this car and more of the daylight. If you wanna see this video about this wrap, it's called Anthracite Gray. Check it out in the link above. Those who have subscribed, I appreciate it because that support takes me a long way. It keeps me going. Those who haven't subscribed, it's free. Hit that subscribe button below for me. Thank y'all for checking out this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one.